Hi guys, here I am again, Handysir. As you can observe, I am here under the tree in front of my house because right now it's quite hot in our place. So I am here because I am about to start my new project, which is the show rack, 5-layer show rack. So my target is to accomplish it for 5 hours. So it's quite fulfilling for my part if I am doing a certain task with a given specific number of hours, so that at the end of the day I can say that I have my accomplishment. So I hope that you're going to watch my video guys from the beginning till the end, and so that you can gain some techniques and strategies on how to make a simple carpentry project by yourself. Do it yourself. If I can, I am sure that you can too. So watch out guys, and bear with me at the end of this video. Hi guys, after 5 hours of doing my 5-layer show rack, it is now done, and here I am again. I accomplished it with a given period of time, which is the 5 hours. So unluckily, the first 3 hours I did it yesterday, and then the another 2 hours I did it today. So I am happy that I am done with this project, and so that I have another time for the next project. So watch out, guys.